Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you some items that was sent to me from pinchme and social nature. First, I want to say disclaimer, I was sent these items for an honest review. So let's get started with pinchme. I got this 6-ounce bag of dog food Purina One Smart blend, and it looks like this. I got this 1.69 ounce Vaseline Order Block Intimate Wash. I got some gummy. And it's just a single pack of 2. I also got this card. Yeah, that. I also got this Scotch Brite lint cleaner thing roll. And I got a bag of Prayer Leaf, ice, green tea, and citrus. Guys, this is some bomb tea. Oh my goodness. Good Lord. And I got a coupon for a free bag of dog food. Value up to $12.99. Alright, that's what I got from pinchme. And from social nature, I got one free coupon for Light Life product up to $5.99. And it came with the flyer. And a contest that they are doing. So guys, go check those websites out. I will leave the information down in the box below. As always, thank you for watching my channel. Bye guys.